everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change email address on GoodBudget. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open GoodBudget application from your app drawer. Once you are done, also make sure to log into your account and tap on the More button appearing at the bottom right. From the More option, select Manage Household and tap on Manage All Preferences under Manage Household. Once you get to the goodbudget.com website, scroll down and then get to the email option. Go ahead and erase the current email and type in the new email you'd like to change for your account. After you are done entering the new email, scroll down and tap on Save. And there you will be able to change your email address on GoodBudget. Next time you log into your account, you will now need to enter the newly updated email address and password. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.